So I'm Scott Soderling. I'm an associate professor in the departments of cell biology and neurobiology here at Duke University. My father was a scientist. My father-in-law was also a scientist. I guess I was doomed to be a scientist. I've been around research, since I was a little kid. I remember, we would have Thanksgivings with people from Japan, Korea, other different countries in Europe, and so it just seemed like a very vibrant, kind of exciting, stimulating job, and that was really what initially got me into it. And then in college, we had this young faculty member. He was very enthusiastic, and he brought a research project with him from the genetics lab at the University of Washington that was trying to map the location of this gene. And in contrast to what I had done before in college classes, this was not an experiment that was outlined in a textbook. That hooked me, just the idea that we were doing something that we could be the first ones to discover the location of this particular gene in Drosophila. So actually what I did after I graduated from college was I worked for a year as a research technician, and that really allowed me to immerse myself on a daily basis in a research laboratory and participate actively in research. Also, I was very fortunate. I had a very good PhD mentor who was very patient. When you first start out as a graduate student, there's a lot of learning that you need to do, and he was a very good mentor. Also from my postdoc advisor. You need to be able to do research, but actually you also need to be able to effectively communicate that research by giving talks to other scientists and presenting your work. So I learned a lot from him about that, as well as writing effectively. That's also key both for papers as well as for grants. You also learn a lot from the people that you work with. You almost never see a paper anymore with a single author on the publication, and that's because it actually takes teamwork to answer these research questions, and so you learn a lot from people that you work with too. And I'm still learning a lot.